Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Behance Pro for free. So first of all, come here on behance.net. Then make sure that you first of all sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, when you are on the Behance page, you are going to see the option of start free trial here on the top. So when you click on this particular option, you can get Behance Pro absolutely for free for the next 7 days. So over here, simply click on the option of start your free trial. Then you will be landed on the plan selection page where you just have to first of all select your plan, whether you want to go monthly, annually or annual prepaid. So after selecting it, you just have to simply click on the option of continue. Then on the next page, you just have to provide your payment details. So here, simply provide your bank card details and then simply click on the option of start free trial. So this way you will get access to the Behance Pro absolutely for free for the next 7 days. Now after the next 7 days, if you don't want to continue the service, you can just simply cancel this subscription. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.